So let's start our analysis with natural gas first. So right here, as you see, the market just pushed up, ripped off, and hit over stop loss right here. So that was a losing trade, and that's totally fine. That happens in trading. We can't have every trade a winning trade. That was a bad week as well. So right now, as we have now broken above this major level of resistance, which will now act as a level of support, and now at this point I will pull up my Fibonacci tool right here. So according to the first level of my resistance, if we get a pullback, we can get a pullback to our 50% retracement, which is now, let me mark my buffer zone as well. As usual, if you have been following me from last couple of months, then you know how I do this right here. So this is my buffer zone. 8.077 goes down to 7.956. So at this point, if we get a pullback to enter in a most aggressive way, once we hit this yellow zone, we will look for a targets to 8.654. The less aggressive way to enter, you can wait for an engulfing pattern or a pin bar pattern from this zone. But that was from the second level of resistance, and if you push up right here, and right here, as you can see, we already got this retracement from our buffer zone, and the market is now pushing up and can hit till 8.498. So this is our second level of resistance for 50% retracement, and market can push up to this level and hit 161 retracement, which is our next level of resistance as well. So right now, if the market continue to move up without pulling back, that is the level I'm looking at to take my profit. But if we get a retracement, again, if we get a retracement, this is yellow zone, is your buffer zone, we can get a retracement, pull back to this zone, and we can get a push up till 8.647. So keep an eye on both zones. That would be your take profit from the second level of resistance. So let's check on currency.com. So right here, as the market pushed up, break above the major level of resistance, now this level will likely to act as a level of support. So right here, from the first level, as you can see, we already got this 50% retracement, and you know how to take my entries using Fibonacci tool, and this is my buffer zone from the first level, which is 8.280, that goes down to 8.165. So we already got this retracement, and the aggressive way to enter is just enter right here. That would be your entry, and we can expect a market to hit 161.8, 1.618 retracement, which is 8.775. That will be your target from this level. But if the market continue to move push down and we get a retracement below, then the second level, if we have a push down, not confusing you, the second level is right here. The 50% retracement is 8.716, that goes down to 8.003. So if we have a push down, we can expect a push down to this level, and then we can expect a market to push up to 8.908, and right here, that is our next resistance, 8.944, that goes up to 9.373, from where I will look for selling opportunity if we get a good entry reason. So just mark these zones on your charts and just look for the both entry reasons. Looking at the first zone, we already got the entry with this 50% retracement. We might get a retracement down to our second zone as we are overbought as well. So that is why I'm giving you both zones to keep an eye on. So right now, let's check gold. Gold is now pushing sideways and still below our 20 EMA. At this point, just wait. I would wait for a breakout above or a breakout below. Do not have any sort of entry reason. If we have a breakout below, break below this previous low, break out below this level, then I will look for a next target from here. So nothing going much in gold. Right here on crude oil. Crude oil has now hit the major level of resistance, and now if we have a close above this first top, the first high, which is 108.418, if this candle moves up closed here, then we can expect market to go further up at least to 109.768. So right here, this is a zone, this is still our selling zone, and if we get close below this top, if we get a close below here, and we might get an engulfing candle, a bearish candle, or we might get a pin bar like this. So just keep an eye once we have a break and close above this high, and sell if we have a push down with an engulfing candle or a 382 candle or inverted hammer, whatever you want to call it. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.